How to remove your debit or credit card from PayPal. If you want to remove either your debit card or even your credit card from PayPal, it is actually quite very simple to do so, because all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to open your browser or the app. So it could be the mobile app as well. Then you can go to paypal.com and make sure that you log into your account. Once you log into your account, at the top on the navigation menu, you can find an option that says wallet. So you can just click on the wallet option, which will take you to your wallet page where you have linked your card. Now, once you've linked the card, you'll find the three dots option next to that card. You can simply click on the card that you want to remove and select the remove button. And once done, your card will be successfully removed from your PayPal account. This way, you should be able to remove your card or debit or credit card from PayPal. I hope that this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial. And as always, see you soon in our next video.